usually wake up around 7 so I can go to work at 8. I grew up in Denver. UW had the programs I wanted. It had the museum studies minor that I wanted. I got into the honors program, which I was super happy about, and I am here to prepare me for a future of working in a museum. I love coffee. I have at least 1 cup a day. When I go out and buy coffee, my usual order is a plain latte. I work at the University of Wyoming Archaeological Repository. A repository is different from a museum because we get all the collections that archaeologists dig up and we put it to museum standards. Currently, I am working on the Black Hills Forest Service project, all of the sites that have been dug up in the Black Hills. I learned a ton with this job of just museum practices, labeling, curation practices, which is very, very beneficial for what I want to do in the future. This semester, I am taking American Sign Language 2. I know in my future I want to work in a museum, so I would like to service the deaf community. Then I go eat lunch, either like at my apartment or a place on campus. It just depends on the day. After I finish my afternoon shift at work, I usually have other classes I go to, or I use that time to set up meetings with my professors. An ordinary evening for me is usually spent at the library studying. I love American history. I think it's just so fascinating that we're such a young country, but we've gotten so much done since the Revolution. I am very happy with the experience I've had at UW. Every day, every piece of work is getting me closer to fulfilling my dream of working in a museum.